Hello, today, I'm going to show you how to adjust your Zippo to improve the sound when opening the lid. There's a great tip at the end of the video, so make sure to watch until the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment to support me. Thank you. To improve the sound of your Zippo, you need to adjust it so that the lid stands perfectly perpendicular to the body when opened. To do this, the first step is to tighten and realign the hinge pin to make it more stable. Now I'm going to squeeze the hinge claws of the Zippo slightly closer together so that the pin fits more tightly when inserted. In this step, make sure to align all 5 hinge claws in a straight line so the pin can be inserted smoothly without getting stuck. I'll smooth out the edges of the hinge pin so it can slide in easily without getting caught. When the Zippo hinge is tightened, the lid often becomes slightly misaligned or lifted. To fix this, use a thin tool to gently press the lid toward the hinge side until it fits snugly again. The Zippo lid still doesn't open at a perfect right angle because the hinge is a bit too tight. Now we need to loosen it slightly by gently tapping the center pin of the hinge. If the Zippo insert is too loose, when placed inside, it can also reduce the sound quality. When the case is closed, the insert tends to lift up. To fix this, I'll gently tap the sides to slightly expand the outer surface of the insert for a tighter fit. As you can see, the cam hammer pin from the Zippo factory isn't fully pressed, leaving a small gap that reduces the cam striking force. I'll use a tool to tighten and close that gap for a better fit. Once the pin is tightened, I'll apply a small amount of lubricant to help the cam hammer operate more smoothly and efficiently. And this is the final step to improve the Zippos sound. A personal tip I've learned after working on thousands of lighters. You need to gently lift the inner hinge on the lid slightly to create a small gap. This allows the cam hammer to strike with a clearer, more resonant sound. Be very careful though. If you apply too much force, you might break the solder joint of the hinge. Thank you for watching the entire video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel to follow me in the next videos.